and I was learning all about love. But I was what you wanted, you were what I needed, and we could meet in between.
Alrighty guys, Nebraska Farmer here, November 4th. Corn harvest. Just finishing up on this field, last pass. About 52,000 on the cart. Thought I'd try out this YouTube Live, something new. I think you can go live on the YouTube app now. I'm on my iPhone. Pretty bad connection over here, but we'll see how it turns out. Brent 1082, John Deere 8300. Just got the chip. But yeah, last pass. And then after this, we just got 80 acres left to do, and then we will be done. And then we got to go around every bean field and pick out every wet spot that we had to leave.